The mystery of the digital gold. In a world of buzzing computers and glowing screens, money was still a bit old-fashioned. It lived in big, serious banks and was slow to travel across the world. But in quiet rooms, coders and dreamers imagined something new. Money that was fast, fair, and belonged to everyone. Then, in 2008, a name echoed across the internet: Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knew who he was. Was he one person or many? He shared a brilliant idea in a paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It was a recipe for digital money. Satoshi's idea was like magic. He described a new kind of cash that you could send to a friend like an email, with no bank in between. Every transaction was recorded in a shared public notebook called the blockchain, so everyone could see it and know it was real. On a cold day in January 2009, Satoshi started the Bitcoin network. He created the very first block, the Genesis block. Tucked inside the code was a secret message, a headline from a newspaper. The Times, the 3rd of January 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. It was a hint about why Bitcoin was needed. The first person to see the magic in Bitcoin was a brilliant programmer named Hal Finney. He had always dreamed of digital money. When he read Satoshi's paper, he was thrilled and immediately downloaded the software to his computer. A few days later, history was made. Satoshi Nakamoto sent 10 Bitcoins directly to Hal Finney. It was the first Bitcoin transaction ever. It flew through the digital world from one computer to the other. The magic was real. Hal was so excited he started mining Bitcoins himself, using his computer's power to help run the network and keep it safe. He and Satoshi sent many emails back and forth, fixing bugs and making Bitcoin better, like two inventors working in a secret workshop. Soon, others joined in. A small group of thinkers and programmers who called themselves cypherpunks gathered online. They loved the idea of using code to build a more private and free world. They saw that Bitcoin was more than just money. It was a powerful new tool. After 2 years of guiding his creation, Satoshi Nakamoto did something strange. He quietly disappeared. He passed the keys to the project to a trusted developer named Gavin Andreessen, and then vanished from the internet, never to be heard from again. Satoshi was gone, but his invention was just getting started. Bitcoin grew and grew, spreading across the world like a digital wildfire. The mystery of who Satoshi was remains, but his gift to the world, a new kind of money for the people, continues to change everything.
I hope you found this video enjoyable and informative. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content just like this.